Welcome guys to this League of Legends tutorial. Here I will be talking about a trick for your trinket. So the trick is that when you leave the base, you automatically get a yellow trinket, so the ward trinket, and you don't actually have to buy it. So let me demonstrate. Let me create a custom game. And I'll show you how this works. So let's start the game and let's pick any champion. So this saves you an extra click in the shop. You don't have to buy the trinket, as you will automatically get it. So I've seen that this trick is known by some people, but many people don't use it, so I thought I would share this video, and hopefully each one of you will save a few finger movements and not buy the trinket. So we are in game, and you can see that you can buy the yellow trinket here, the warding totem. I can buy just the 2 items and not buy the trinket. Then once you leave this the base, so this area here, like right here, you will automatically get the trinket. So let me demonstrate. For example, I go here. You can see that I don't have any trinket, but once I leave this place, there you go, I received the trinket. So hopefully you learned something new today, and see you guys in my next tutorial.